The warning ABS disabled in a Tesla vehicle will be accompanied by a variety of messages, as ABS is a key safety feature and many other functions depend on its operation. Whenever you see the ABS light and warning in your EV, just ignore all other messages till you get rid of the ABS problems. There are usually three culprits of this issue: the faulty wheel speed sensor on one of the wheels, damaged wiring between sensors, and module or 12-volt battery problems. So the first step is to check if the 12-volt battery is still okay. You can do it with a load tester and see if the voltage drops under load. If it does, the battery needs to be replaced. If your new battery fails after several weeks of driving, the problem is more serious and the vehicle will need to be inspected at the dealership, because the 12-volt battery doesn't get charged by the electrical system in your car. If the battery is confirmed healthy, there is nothing much you can do on your own. The best thing would be to plug in a good diagnostic software and see the live readings for each wheel speed sensor while driving the car. The malfunctioning sensor will not give any readings or show abnormally high speed. Usually it's just one sensor that will need to be replaced, so the repair is not that expensive at the dealership. Fortunately, once the ABS problem is addressed, all other related lights and warnings will disappear within several minutes of driving.